Pick 5. And the rough early lead is taken by Monte Napoleone by the rail. It's Monte Napoleone in the lead, followed by Sir Henry, and moving up on the inside is Haywire. It's now Haywire in the lead, followed by Monte Napoleone. It's Haywire on the outside, Sir Henry, Monte Napoleone, and Icy Storm, and bringing up the rear is Len Len. And nearing the far turn, Haywire on the outside, in between horses, Sir Henry and Monte Napoleone the lead. It is now Monte Napoleone in the lead, followed by Sir Henry and Haywire on the outside, and Ice Storm. Rounding the far turn, Monte Napoleone by half a length, followed by Haywire on the outside in second, and Ice Storm, and closing in is entry number 1, Len Len on the farther outside. The last bend for home, it's Monte Napoleone in the lead, followed by Len Len on the outside. At the top of the stretch, Monte Napoleone by the rail, Len Len on the outside. It's Monte Napoleone by the rail, Len Len on the outside, Len Len on the outside. Monte Napoleone by the rail, Monte Napoleone by the rail, and on the outside is Len Len. But it's still Monte Napoleone, followed by Len Len on the outside. Monte Napoleone by 2.5 lengths, followed by Len Len, and finally it's Monte Napoleone, Len Len, Haywire, Ice Storm, and Sir Henry.
At mukhang